Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Our today's recipe is very yummy and delicious. That's vegetable fried rice. So if you like this recipe, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. So let's have a look at the ingredients. These are chicken 500 grams almost, bell pepper and capsicum 3 to 4 chopped, green chilies 2 to 3, carrots 1 to 2 chopped, onion medium size 2, peas 1 cup, potatoes 2 to 3 chopped, the spices salt, black pepper, red chili powder and turmeric as per your taste, and the three most important sauce: soya sauce, chili sauce and white synthetic vinegar, and 1 kg rice. Now let's just start it by preheating a wok, adding 1 cup of oil. Now start adding chopped potatoes. Now adding all spices: salt, black pepper, turmeric and chili powder. Mix it well. Now add soya sauce 2 tablespoons almost, chili sauce 2 tablespoons and fry the potatoes in them. Now add boiled and shredded chicken. Continuous mixing and frying is required. Now add peas. Mix it well. Now add remaining veggies: green chilies, carrots, capsicum. Now mix all the vegetables well. Give it a good mix. Now add onion. Now at this stage you can add more black pepper and salt as per your taste. Adding more soya sauce, almost 1 tablespoon. Now add more chili sauce, almost 1 tablespoon. Now mix all the vegetables very well. Now our vegetables are ready. Here we have boiled the rice. Now give 2 layers of one of rice and other of veggies. Now give it steam for almost 5 to 10 minutes. So for yummy vegetable fried rice are ready. So if you like this recipe, do give me thumbs up, hit the bell icon and thanks for watching.